Concealed in the Cali Woods is an old ruined building called the Temple. Built in 1779 as a feature in the landscape and as accommodation for the cattle herd William Todd, it had been neglected for many years. Mortar had fallen out, and weeds and saplings grew between the stones of the walls. In 2011 it was decided to investigate the possibility of renovating the building. A.C. Wolf and Partners carried out a feasibility study of the temple and funds were raised for the project. The Fleet Valley National Scenic Area volunteers, working with Forestry Commission Ranger Jim Newell, cleared back the encroaching vegetation. This was followed by an archaeological survey carried out by the volunteers under the supervision of County Archaeologist Jane Brann. Among the items that were found was an Irish halfpenny, dated 1775, probably dropped by one of the Irish tenants brought over to work on the estate. In 2014, in agreement with the Forestry Commission, the Gatehouse Development Initiative raised funds so that work could start on the renovations. The initiative is very grateful to the many funders who have supported the project. An architectural survey was carried out by Michael Leyburn of Smith Score and a report prepared on the necessary repairs. Following a tendering procedure, the building contractor Luce Bay was appointed to carry out the conservation element of the project, and work began on the 1st of September. Their masons began work, removing vegetation growing on the building, clearing out old loose mortar and replacing it with fresh lime mortar. The masons repointed with lime mortar to allow the old stone building to breathe. They then covered the stone work with sacking to allow the mortar to dry out slowly and to protect it from frost. In January 2015, the sacking and scaffolding were removed. The workmen then cleared out the soil from inside the temple and laid a protective sheet over the base. A layer of gravel was laid on the floor up to the existing flagstones. For safety, a handrail was installed on the external staircase. There will be plenty of work for the Fleet Valley volunteers to do, working with the Forestry Commission to lay gravel round the building and to improve footpaths and signage so that the temple is accessible to all.